Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cut audio on Soundtrap. Follow these detailed steps to cut audio in Soundtrap. The first step is to open your browser and visit soundtrap.com. Then log in with your credentials, which could be email, Google, or Apple. And that's going to walk you right into the homepage. On the homepage, find the project section in the center of the screen and select an existing project or click Enter Studio under Start a New Project to create a new one. So I'm just going to click on this existing project that I'm working on. I'm just clicking Studio. So for you to start a new project, just click on Studio right beside the project. And that's going to take you into the studio itself. You just give it a couple of seconds and we're going to be in shortly. Okay. Coming right in. All right, loading project loading. Now in the studio, locate the audio track you want to cut. So let's say this is it. So click on the track to highlight it. And then use the timeline at the top of the studio to navigate to the exit point where you want to make the cut. So this is the timeline. And I'm just going to move this timeline to here. So I'm going to cut it from here. Now you're going to have to drag the, all right. So drag the playhead, which is this vertical line, to the desired position in the track, which we have done here. It's called the playhead. Now use the playback controls at the bottom to play the audio and find the precise spot. These are the playback controls. So play and find the desired spot. So let's say I want to cut it from here. Now once you're done, right click on the track at the position of the playhead. So that's the position. So there you see these options. Now once you right click, so just click on the position there where the playhead is and right click. Now once you right click, you can see a couple of options. Now select split region from the context menu. This is the context menu and you have add comment, click region, and you have mute region, you have cut, you have copy. So click on split region from the context menu. And that's it. Now alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcuts Control plus E, that's for Windows, or Command plus E for Mac to just split the track. So you see the track has been splitted. Now after cutting, just go ahead and click the segment you want to delete it. So let's say it's this segment that I want to delete. I'm just gonna, okay, that's undo. I just need to read these two regions. So just go ahead and press the delete key to select the particular track, or just move the playhead to where the track is. So once you click on that, highlight it and right click, delete. That's all. Then drag the remaining section of the audio to align them as needed. You can also crossfade between clips if necessary for smooth transitions. And how to do that? Just hover over the edge of the clip and drag the fade handle to create a fade in or a fade out to just help you get that across. So you can also click on that and just click on effects to just use the fade in and fade out option. Now, if you're ready to save, head over to the top left corner, click on File and click on Save to ensure your changes are stored. And if you want to export, head over to the top right, click on Export to download the audio in your preferred format and click on Share to collaborate or create a link for sharing. And congratulations, you have successfully cut audio on Soundtrap. So use these tools to refine your project with precision. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. Hoping the tutorial marvelously helped you search.